So 9 years ago, Turn wasn't a company. It was just me. Jumped on a plane, flew 500,000 miles over a couple of years, but nothing but an iPhone and a credit card.
It is my great pleasure to welcome your founder and Chief Executive Officer, Bradley Burnam of Turn Therapeutics, and the entire Turn Therapeutics team to the NASDAQ family. Welcome, everyone. Turn Therapeutics was founded by a patient for patients. At the heart of every innovation is a commitment to develop products that are safe, effective, and most importantly, accessible.
Turn was built on a shoestring with an absolute disdain for waste and a complete disregard for routine. Whatever the algorithm is or was, I say we shredded it. And I gotta tell you, standing on the trading floor after starting on the garage floor, it feels like we need to rethink the word impossible a little bit. They told me it's impossible to mix oil and water. We have a liquid and oil drug in phase 2s right now that says otherwise. They said you can't get an FDA clearance without zillion-dollar consultants. I got my first one for 24 grand at a public computer. They said you can't build a company of this scale at 1/10, maybe 1/20th the spend, and here we are. And finally, they said you can't make drugs safe, effective, and affordable, all while manufacturing in the United States. And to that, I just say, watch us. For all of us at Turn, this is not an end, this is not an exit, this is the exact opposite. It's our way of proving, just on a global scale now, that you can do exceeding amounts of good and exceedingly well at the same time. It's possible. So thank you for this honor. Maybe when I watch the video back, I'll believe it happened. Until then, I have no interest in waking out.